Download this code from codegib.com, link in the description below. Creating a full-stack drag-and-drop notes application using React for the front-end and node.js with Express and MongoDB for the backend is a great project that encompasses a variety of skills. In this tutorial, we'll break down the process step by step. Prerequisites. 1. Basic understanding of JavaScript, React, node.js, and Express. 2. MongoDB setup, MongoDB Atlas or local instance. 3. Node.js installed on your machine. 4. React setup, create React app. Project overview. Frontend * React will be used to create the user interface. Backend * node.js with Express will handle API requests and serve data. Database * MongoDB will store the notes. Step 1. Setting up the backend. 1. Create a new directory for your project * bash mkdir notes-app-backend cd notes-app-backend. 2. Initialize a new node.js project * bash npm init. 3. Install necessary packages * bash npm install express mongoose cores body parser. 4. Create a basic server setup * create a file named server.js. JavaScript. Const express equals require, express. Const mongoose equals require, mongoose. Const cores equals require, cores. Const body parser equals require, body parser. Const app equals express. Const port equals process.env.port 5000. / middleware. App use, cores. App use, body parser.json. / MongoDB connection. Mongoose.connect, your _mongodb _URI, use new URL parser, true, use unified topology, true. Then, equals console.log, MongoDB connected. Catch, error equals console.log, error. / note model. Const note equals mongoose.model, note, new mongoose.schema. Title, string. Content, string. Order, number. / API routes. App-get, / notes, async, req, res, equals. Const notes equals await note.find, .sort, order. res.json, notes. App post, / notes, async, req, res, equals. Const note equals new note, req body. Await note.save. res.json, note. App put, / notes / id, async, req, res, equals. Const note equals await note.find by id and update, req.params.id, req body, new, true. res.json, note. App delete, / notes / id, async, req, res, equals. Await note.find by id and delete, req.params.id. res.send status, 204. App listen, port, equals. Console.log, server running on port $port. 5. Set up MongoDB *. Create a MongoDB database, use MongoDB Atlas or local MongoDB. Replace your _mongodb _URI with your actual MongoDB connection string. 6. Run the server * bash node server.js. Step 2. Setting up the frontend. 1. Create a new React app *. In a new terminal window, run bash npx create React app notes app frontend. cd notes app frontend. To install necessary packages asterisk. Bash. npm install Axios React Beautiful DND. 3. Create a node component asterisk. Create a new file named node.js in the src directory. JavaScript. Import React from React. Const node equals, node, onDelete, equals. Return. div class name equals node style equals border, 1px solid ccc, padding, 10px, margin, 5px. h3 node.title /h3. p node.content /p. Button on click equals onDelete, node underscore id, delete /button. /div. Export default node. 4. Create the main app component asterisk. Modify src /app.js. JavaScript. Import React, use effect, uses state from React. Import Axios from Axios. Import drag drop context, droppable, draggable from React Beautiful DND. Import node from /node. Const app equals. Const notes, set notes equals uses state. Use effect, equals. Fetch notes. Const fetch notes equals async, equals. Const result equals await axios.get, http://localhost 5000/notes. Set notes, result.data. Const handle delete equals async, id, equals. Await axios.delete, http://localhost 5000/notes/$id. Fetch notes. Const on drag end equals, result, equals. If, result.destination, return. Const reordered notes equals array.from, notes. Const removed equals reordered notes.splice, result.source.index, 1. Reordered notes.splice, result.destination.index, 0, removed. Set notes, reordered notes. // update order in MongoDB. Reordered notes.forEach, note, index, equals. Axios.put, http://localhost 5000/notes/$note_id, order, index. Return. div style equals padding, 20px. h1 notes app/h1. Drag drop context on drag end equals on drag end. Droppable id equals droppable. Provided, equals. div, provided.droppable props ref equals provided.inner ref. Notes.map, note, index, equals. Draggable key equals note_id draggable id equals note_id index equals index. Provided, equals. div ref equals provided.inner ref, provided.draggable props, provided.drag handle props. Note equals note onDelete equals handle delete /div /draggable. Provided.placeholder /div /droppable /drag drop context /div. Export default app. 5. Run the frontend asterisk. Bash. npm start. Step 3, connecting frontend to backend. Ensure that your frontend is making requests to the correct backend URL, usually http://localhost 5000 for local development. Make sure the backend server is running while you use the frontend. Step 4, final touches. Style your application using CSS for a better user interface. Add features such as creating new notes and editing existing notes. Conclusion. You now have a simple full-stack drag-and-drop notes application using React, node.js, and MongoDB. You can extend this application further by adding user authentication, improved styling, or additional features like note categories, tags, or search functionality. Feel free to ask for more details or specific functionalities if needed.